everyone, I'm Shelly Brown, Senior Fashion Beauty Editor at The Knot. In this episode of Out of the Box, we'll be unboxing self-care subscription boxes. That's right, it's the peak of self-care, to the point where you don't even have to leave your house for it. Let's get started. This is the calmbox. It is $35 and it comes with 6 to 8 full-size items. So there's a wide variety of products in here. This is a mystery box, so we will figure out the theme as soon as we open it. So to start off, we have some really lovely edible products. We have some herbal teas, as well as this double chocolate decadence cookie. So great ways to treat yourself as you're wedding planning. We also have an Aloha Bay Protection Chakra Energy Candle. So the whole idea is that you light this and it brings in good vibes. So you can light this with the intention of feeling calm and feeling happy, and this is really gonna help you find a mindful moment during your day. So very apropos for wedding planning, this is a love stone. This is a little heart-shaped stone, and you hold it in your hand and you meditate on the love that you feel in your heart and the love that you feel in your life. So again, similar to the candle, this is a great way to find a moment of mindfulness during the wedding planning process. So next we have some beauty focused products, and your beauty regimen is actually a really great way to work meditation into your day if you don't have time otherwise. So this is a vegan cleansing bar by Dr. Botanicals. And as you cleanse your face, you can think about taking the day off and really having that moment of nice catharsis after a stressful day. Speaking of finding moments in self-care, this is a calming spa bath from Aromatherapies, and it's lavender and chamomile scented. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, and this is a great way to turn your tub into a spa at the end of the day. Last but not least, we have a sleep sheet mask from Moroccan Magic. So the idea is that you put this on for 20 minutes before bed, and it both calms and hydrates your skin and also ensures that you're nice and relaxed so you get a great night's sleep. What's great about the Calm box is that each month there's a new theme. So for instance, this is the Breathe box. And these boxes will help you live a calmer, more tranquil life. They'll help you unwind at the end of the day, and who doesn't need that while you're wedding planning? The great thing about this too is you can cancel your subscription at any time. This is the Bath Bevy All You Need Is Vitamin C themed box. It is $42.95, and it's for those looking to escape to the beach but are currently landlocked. These are specifically bath and shower themed boxes, so the possibilities are bath salts, soaks, balms. Let's open her up. So first we have an assortment of bath bombs. These are great to add to your bath at the end of the day. They kind of jazz up the bath experience and are super relaxing. I particularly love this one. It has a little shark fin that sticks out of this kind of wedding appropriate cupcake shaped bath bomb. So next we have Calypso Tropical Bath and Body Oil. So this is a super fragrant mandarin orange scented body oil, and it's just really moisturizing and gives your skin a beautiful glow. Next we have bath salt shakers. So this is made of Dead Sea salt, and you add it to your bath at the end of the day, and it helps relax your muscles and also exfoliates your skin. And last but not least, we have a Mermaid Kisses bubble bar. I personally love a mermaid theme. And the idea of a bubble bar is that you break off pieces of it and crumble it under your running bath water, and it creates an instant bubble bath. The great thing about the Bath Bevy brand is you can shop by collection. So they are bath lovers, shower lovers, lotions, bubbles, bath bombs, and more. And you can also shop individual items too. All you have to do is add water. Next we have the TheraBox, and this is specifically the cozy box, so it's great for when temperatures cool down in fall and winter. It's $54.99, and there is $170 worth of stuff in this box. So first is a super cozy product. This is the All You Need Is Love ombre scarf. It's super, super soft and big enough that you can style it a bunch of different ways. Next, we have a 2-step jelly mask by the brand Meg. It comes with an AHA peeling swab to exfoliate your skin, and then a calming essence jelly mask to wear after. So this is all about working self-care and meditation into your beauty regimen. So another beauty product is the Growth Hair Serum from JL Naturals. If you're feeling super stressed out, it can sometimes affect your hair growth, and this serum will keep your scalp stimulated and your follicles happy so that your hair stays strong and healthy. So next we have an aromatherapy balm from the brand Centered. And the idea is that you keep this on you at all times, and whenever you're feeling stressed, you roll it over your pulse points, so your wrist and your neck, and the soothing scents will help you relax and unwind and stay centered. So speaking of roll-ons, our next is the Relief Roll-On, and this is specifically for cold and allergy sufferers. So you roll this on under your nose or across your chest, and the idea is that it helps you open up your sinuses and breathe deeper throughout the day. Next, we have a My Truth Journal. So this is for keeping track of your daily affirmations, and you can reflect on the things that you feel really grateful for. It's just a great way to keep yourself centered throughout the wedding planning process. Last but not least, we have this super cute felt board with corresponding letters. A felt board is a great place to keep your favorite quote or even daily reminders. This is a really cute way to display things that keep you feeling inspired throughout the day. The cool thing about the TheraBox is that it was founded by a therapist, and it's all about keeping self-love and self-care at the forefront of your mind. Well, there you have it, 3 different ways to show yourself that you're number one. So choosing the right self-care box for you is all about how you approach self-care. If your way of relaxing and winding at the end of the day is to get into the tub or the shower, the Bath Bevy box is a great option. If you have more of a spiritual approach to self-care, the Calm box is a great option. And if you're into the idea of changing up every month with different themes, the TheraBox is a great box for you.